guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me today. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing of our Ipsy Glam Plus. This is a $25 a month box for full-size items. You get 5 full-size items in this box. On the 2nd of every month, you do get to go in and do add-ons. You can do up to 5 add-ons per subscription. And when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It now says discover yourself. Used to say don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, which I think was totally better than the new saying. And inside is everything that we received this month. So right on top is our card, November 2019. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you, wild side. So that is our theme for the month. On the back tells you when to mark your calendars. 11/25 is Choice Day. 11/29 is Black Friday. And then 12/2 is Cyber Monday add-ons. So there's all of that if you want to pause and read it. Try to get it out of the light. Okay. And then inside, as always, tells us everything that we got in our box. I will pull out the add-on I did, which is the Confidence in a Cleanser by It Cosmetics. It is a full size. This is a great brand of cleaners. I've used the Confidence in a Cream, which it came with a packet of that. The Confidence in a Gel Lotion. I love this brand. I think it works amazing. So I'm happy to have a full size of that. So now in the box, what we received. We got the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. When you apply Murad products, you know they really work. Formulated by Derm Dr. Howard Murad, they use high-performance technologies to target your skin concerns. Made with honey extract, this hydration lotion soothes redness, great for hipsters with acne-prone skin. The tip is every day after cleansing and toning, massage moisturizer evenly over your face, neck, and chest. For optimal results, follow with a facial sunscreen during the day. And this retails for $40. So, I do like Murad products. This brand is quite pricey. But I'm glad to have another product from them in my collection. The next thing we got was the Otter London Courtney Act stamp and drag liner. If you struggle with your cat eye, raise hand. This double-ended eyeliner created by Otter London in collaboration with drag diva sensation Courtney Act is for you. One side is a foolproof wing stamp, while the other is a precisely pointed felt tip. The tip is simply stamp on the corners of each eye for symmetrical wings. Flip the pen over, then line and drag with the pointed tip to create the perfect winged eyeliner look. And this retails for $19. And I totally went out of frame. But now I did purchase an eyeliner kind of like this on eBay a while back because I don't do winged eyeliner. I like the thought of it, but me to actually do it just does not come out right. So there's what the stamp looks like. It's just a felt tip liner. Very precise. And it doesn't seem to bleed, so that's always a plus. Okay, so an eyeliner. Then we got the Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in Cosmic. They're bold, unexpected, always on trend, and because they're made by a team of makeup pros, you know Illamasqua's products are on point. You'll want to take this rich, non-drying, matte lip everywhere you go. Cosmic is a versatile rosy pink that goes easily from day to night. The tip is, use tip to lightly line your lips, then fill it with this super creamy formula. And this retails for $27. There is the shade. So I don't have any lip products by this company other than a couple of lip liners that I do like. Very cute packaging. Sleek black. And then there is the color. So that's a pretty color. It is this one. You will see this outfit and hair and the whole 9 yards in my BoxyCharm unboxing. I got both boxes in one day and wanted to get them up and out, and I'm human and did not feel like changing clothes. So that's what that is. The next thing we got was from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Happy Hibiscus blush palette. That is what it looks like. Makeup that's healthy, organic, and fair trade, so you can feel good using it. Sign us up. This vegan blush palette is made with 99% natural ingredients, and it's flattering on every skin tone. Peachy and shimmery shades can be mixed and matched for a custom glowy flush. The tip is, apply either hibiscus or petal blush to the apples of your cheeks for a luminous pop of color. For a touch of shimmer, sweep harvest or dewdrop on high points of cheekbones. And this retails for $48. Now, I'm telling you right now, there's no way on God's green earth I would pay $48 for a blush palette. Ever. I don't care who made it. The inside, when you open it, looks like this. So there's some very pretty colors. There's some very darker colors also. So I'm going from top to bottom. So that is Hibiscus Creamy Rose, then Harvest, which is a golden nude petal, which is silky pink, and then Dewdrop, which is an illuminating gleam. And there's what those blushes look like. These two almost could be highlighters, in my opinion, which is probably what I will use them for. But, okay, blush palette. Not for $48, but I am glad I have it. Then the last thing in here, as far as products, is from Gigi Gorgeous, which is who Ipsy collabed with this month. This is the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra. Named for the YouTube personality Arthur and activist Gigi Gorgeous, is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. The tip is, swirl your preferred blush The tip is swirl your preferred brush into the pan, tap off excess and dust over your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline, anywhere sunlight would hit your face. And they are retailing this for $24. Now, I do like Ipsy, but I am truly fed up with the collabs. I said this last month, I'm going to say it again this month. I just want makeup I can go and find at a store. I don't want something that they've collabed with that is their own brand, that once it's gone, you can't have it again because it was made specifically with that company. So it's got the white get dirty after a minute once using compact. It does have a mirror, and then those are your bronzers. I guess it, yeah, it says bronzer duo, so. And they both look like the same color. So, I don't know how I feel about that, but it is what it is. So we got a bronzer, a blush palette, an eyeliner, a lipstick, and a Skin Perfector moisturizer. Those are our products for the month. So I'm happy with my box. Like I said, I'm just tired of the collabs. And then the bag for this month looks like this. I don't know whether it's cheetah, giraffe. There's the little tassel that was folded inside that's all jacked up now. And then of course the little Ipsy tag. But I will say that they did get the bag right. All of our products that we received this month do actually fit in there with a little room left over. So they're at least getting the bag size right. I know that the Ultimate had a really huge bag, and then the Glam bag is supposed to have one a little bit smaller than that. But I do like the bag. It's a camel with brown and pink. If y'all can see that. So let's go ahead and add up our box and see how much value we got. So we had $40 for the Murad lotion, $19 for our eyeliner stamp, $27 for our lipstick, $48 for that blush palette, and then $24 for the bronzer palette, which is a grand total of $158 is what my box was worth this month. For $25, it wasn't bad. Even at $154, taking off the $24 GG Gorgeous, still would have put it at $130. So for $25, I'm super happy with what I received. If you got your Ipsy Glam Plus already, let me know what your thoughts are on it. If you received any of these products, I would love to know how they worked for you. As always, please do like, share, and subscribe. It does help our channel out. We are growing. I do have a goal, so I would very much appreciate it. And until next time, as always, you stay beautiful. Bye.